patriot. And the leaders in Nagpur saw the spark in him. So he was sent to Calcutta. He had no means. He lost his father, mother on the same day when he was 11 years old. There was no source of earning. So somehow he continued with his education, always stood in first 10 in his class. And second thing he continued with all his life was Deshabhakti, working for the independence of Bharat. Whatever means are available with them, he used to participate in all movements. He organized Vande Mataram movement in the schools of Nagpur. So whenever inspector came in, he was greeted with Vande Mataram. So the British inspector, school inspector, he was angry and he shut down all the schools of Nagpur. For 4 months, police tried to pinpoint the individuals who were behind this, but they could not get anything. Ultimately, the guardians, the government, they come together and they decided that with a nominal apology, schools should be allowed to start. When student enters the school, a teacher will be standing at the gate and he will ask, "So, it was wrong, no?" Then he should just nod, "Yes, it was wrong." Okay, that is sufficient apology. But there were 2 students in Nagpur who refused even that. And therefore they were restricted. One of them was Dr. who later became Dr. Keshav Hedgewar. But he continued privately in the national school and appeared privately, stood in first class. So leaders of Nagpur sent him to Calcutta for medical education. Medical education was the eyewash for the British. He was given the task to contact the Coordination Committee of Revolutionaries, that is the Anushilana Samiti, and establish the revolutionary work in the western part of the country. So he went there, he had his education, there also he stood in first class, and he did this job also to the perfection. He became inner core member of the Anushilana Samiti. In books written by Rajbihari Basu, some details are given about him. His code name was Cocaine. There was one real person named Cocaine Chandra Chakravarti in Chandarnagar, who was under French. So he was given his name. Once police tried to find that cocaine and arrested wrong cocaine. That also happened. All this is mentioned. He was given the charge of the area from Rajasthan to Andhra. In this area, revolutionaries, he had to settle them, he had to supply the arms, he has to generally supervise their activity, carry out many things. But that revolutionary movement also fizzled away due to some inherent faults of individuals, not of the movement. Then there was Congress agitation going on. So there was a movement in 1920. For that, he became a doctor. There was a job for him ready to go to Burma and serve there as a medical doctor. 3,000 rupees. That was the payment. But he told his principal, "I don't want to go there. I don't want to earn money. I have resolved to put this life to the task of serving Bharat Mata. About my own career, I will think in next birth." He came back. His uncle asked him about marriage. He said, "No,